and 5 minutes, and I'm approximately at 8,500 steps. So in like maybe 50 minutes okay maybe like in 10,000 steps I have finished my training. No, not 10,000, maybe in 1,500 steps I'm at 10,000 steps. So let's talk about the news today. So for here in Polynesia and Tahiti, a police officer of the city of Tuvaluta has been arrested. He's have be violent to some child and to some wife, thing like that. And I make a video about that on Raurii Daily, like Daily Planet, but I speak French. I have the YouTube and the TikTok. You can go see this, and maybe you will not be a police officer anymore and will not work in the public area for forever, guys. And another news today is, of course, One Punch Man coming to Fortnite. In Tahiti it's 27 August, but in USA, another country, it's 28 August. So the skin is pretty. Also, we got Saitama skin, we got Geno skin, and Tatsuki skin. Free skin for the first ever collab between One Punch Man and how do you say that? Fortnite. So tonight I will play Fortnite and live on YouTube. Thank you, guys. But the problem is that I love the glider in One Punch Man. It's a centipede, and why I love the centipede is because here in Polynesia, centipede are very important. Fuck! It's like a big rock. Centipede is like a totem for us, and the centipede is something we are afraid here in Tahiti, because here in Tahiti we don't have snakes, we don't have scorpion, but we have centipede, and it hurts a lot. You cannot die except if you are very like you already have disease, you know. But two most venomous things here are in the water: the stonefish and the fish snail. So when you go on a reef in Tahiti, you must be careful always. Yeah, so that's the news for today. One Punch Man and the police officer. And today I seen an old picture archive from 1917. Hotel Tahara. This hotel is now abandoned. Hotel Tahara. You can find some Urbreaks video on YouTube. And guys, this hotel was very famous, very beautiful, but now it's gone. Yeah, and I hope people back then enjoy it. And today I see another archive photo of the Chinese family in Moria back in 1930. amazing photography. It's so hard, bro. It's so hard to sport. Come on, bro. Come on. How many steps? I want to see. How many steps? 1,000. Excuse me. 9,000 steps. And 500 steps. 9,500 steps. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I think I'm at 200 kilograms, I think. My 8, guys. So I just got to lose weight. And that's gonna be cool for me. Cool. Let's go, buddies. It's too bad I don't have a cameraman to take my phone and record me like that. You can see me walking. I'm not just looking for the sun, which is beautiful, by the way. So thank you for being there on the live. Don't forget to come on the live, guys, to subscribe, to share my live. Maruru. It's Raurii and it's training time. I'm already at 9,500 steps. My mission is to go to 10,000 steps per day. It's very hard, but I can do it. I need to sport and eat clean to lose weight. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, Maruru for being there on the live, man. Maruru to you. My daughter saw me. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Va avec maman, je sport. Va avec maman, je sport là. Je suis seul, je suis seul.
Mais papa, c'est c'est aussi sale. C'est aussi sale.
Papa il se pauvre.
Non, c'est mon père.
Calmez-vous, calmez-vous. Je suis là.